Here's the best way to ship large artwork in wooden packaging boxes across Australia or overseas, without the hassle. No hassle with customs. No fumigation certification. No tools. No screws. No hinges. No nails. Just slot it together, strap it and send it. It's that easy. If you are a gallery owner, museum coordinator, auction house manager, artist or a resident, based in Sydney, you are qualified to take advantage of Express Crate's superior art packing service. We can pick up your art, or you can drop it off to us, here in Belrose, Sydney. These strong, stackable artwork boxes are Aussie made to take the knocks but keep your art safe and secure inside. Express Crates have created a unique design for their artwork packaging services, which make it easier for their clients. Our artwork wooden packing boxes are all made with strong plywood or MDF wood, which is IPSM 15 compliant, so, when shipping, no fumigation certificate needed and no hassle with customs. We can create a unique design to fit your art, be it large or small, cumbersome or fragile. This unique design allows you to slot the artwork packing box together, without using any tools or screws. All you need are straps, which we can provide, or you can source yourself. Once strapped, the artwork packing box is strong, tough and will handle any knocks or rough treatment, while keeping your art safe and secure inside. Precious art deserves superior packing. We recommend you call us on 0410 798 395 and speak to our friendly staff, who can advise you on what options are best suited to your needs. Depending on the size, shape and weight of your artwork, extras such as handles, tie-down points, polyfoam, polystyrene, wheels or blocks, may be needed for safety. Here's a testimonial from one of our many customers.
Express Crates offered the perfect solution. They designed the unique crate for our artwork, which held the canvas securely, and it arrived safe and sound in the USA. Great job, many thanks.
Our main objective is to give you the best packing options available, to keep your valuable and irreplaceable art safe and secure while in transit. To get the best online price we can offer, talk to our friendly staff, who can give you an online quote, which is specific to your needs. Call now on 0410 798 395.